I have to say that my siblings look upon my research and our research a lot differently now. We have a lot more credibility because, you know, my mother did have stage 4 cancer. She was given less than 3 months to live. And in combination with Taxol and Herceptin, 2 great drugs, and turkey tail, she now has no detectable tumors. She started in June of 2009, and a year later her tumors had disappeared. My name is Paul Stamets. I'm a mycologist, and my partner Dusty Yao and myself own a company at fungi.com. We do a lot of research on medicinal mushrooms. Well, this is a bracket mushroom. It is called the turkey tail. It grows virtually in every woodland of the world. This mushroom has been the subject of a breast cancer clinical study, and in combination with conventional medicines, it helps increase immunity and helps patients be able to fight tumors. We got my mom back, and that's the best payoff of all. All mushrooms have unique molecular signatures, and they're like little pharmaceutical factories. So just like plants are different, mushrooms are different. But most people just think about mushrooms as being portobellos. And, you know, there's over 150,000 species of mushrooms. Well, I have a birch polypore here, and this hat is made from this mushroom. You know, this is the longest living mushroom in the world. It's called agarikon. But it was first described over 2,000 years ago as a treatment against consumption, which was later thought to be tuberculosis. We've done research in collaboration with other laboratories and indeed have confirmed that with modern methods we have determined that this mushroom has very strong anti-tubercular effects. If there's a take-home message here, you should eat mushrooms several times a week. You should eat a variety of mushrooms. These mushrooms have anti-cancer properties, enhancing the immune system, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, and they also restrict blood vessels feeding tumors. Now, what drug does that? None. There's no drugs that do that, because these are not drugs. These are functional foods. We grow about 250 species at our facility, and so, but we have common regulars that we like a lot. Shiitake is probably number 1, and fortunately, my partner and wife, she has a different taste buds than I do. So she likes certain mushrooms more so than I do, and so there's a compromise here when we cook, because I can eat more of the ones that I like and she eats more of the ones that she likes, and we're not so competitive. Otherwise we have fork fights in the kitchen, you know.